Brushing our teeth sounds like a simple task, and we typically do it without thought multiple times per day. However, what is the origin of this practice? Brushing our teeth is dated back to 3000 BC, where the Egyptians used a brush made of a frayed twig to clean their teeth. Later, the Chinese developed a brush made from the hair of a pig's neck. And this was further innovated in England, where what we think of today as a toothbrush was born. However, possibly even more important than that, the invention known as toothpaste is our main focus today. Specifically, our group would like to propose that the Colgate Total molecule should be named Molecule of the Semester due to its importance to our health and the fact that it greatly improves everyone's lives. The two parts that make up the Colgate Total molecule are the larger structure, triclosan, and the sodium fluoride that floats around within it. We will talk about these two parts separately as they both do different tasks.
One of the primary components of Colgate Total is triclosan, an antimicrobial agent consisting of 12 carbons, 7 hydrogens, 3 chlorines, 2 oxygens. Triclosan is a phenyl, meaning that it incorporates hydrocarbon hexagonal structures. The phenyl structure of triclosan means that the molecule is primarily hydrophobic, dissolves in substances such as ethanol and methanol much more readily than in water. This enables triclosan to have a half-life of 21 hours when in the mouth, so its effects are relatively long-lasting, which of course is beneficial in toothpaste. The main mechanism by which triclosan attacks bacteria and fungi is the inhibition of lipid synthesis in the cells and the microbes. Triclosan accomplishes this by bonding with enol reductase, the main enzyme responsible for lipid synthesis. Together, the two molecules will bond with nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+ for short, which results in the formation of ENR NAD+ triclosan, primarily through the use of hydrogen bonds, which is chemically stable. Therefore, by essentially neutralizing enol reductase, the process of lipid synthesis becomes impossible for the microbes. Lipids are vital for the structural integrity of cells, especially the cell membrane. Being unable to repair themselves or reproduce, the cells will die. Triclosan can operate under a wide range of pH and temperatures, and operate against a broader spectrum of microbes than most other antimicrobial agents. All this makes triclosan ideally suited for a toothpaste.
Now that we've heard about triclosan, let's step over and see what the sodium fluoride does.
Sodium and fluoride ions are one of the key and active ingredients in a Colgate Total. Fluoride is extremely important for protecting teeth as well as preventing cavities. When fluoride enters your saliva, usually through mechanisms like toothpaste or water, your teeth take it in. Then fluoride along with calcium and phosphate from saliva form fluoroapatite, which fights and prevents cavities from forming.
So now that you're familiar with the structure of Colgate Total, here's how its structure and property makes it significant. Besides the obvious of preventing gum disease and giving you good breath, it also does a lot to keep your whole body healthy. Many scientific studies have linked people with significant dental issues caused by poor dental hygiene to be at a higher risk for a heart attack or some sort of cardiovascular disease. Also, it can help prevent diabetes. As gum disease begins to manifest itself, blood sugar levels in the bodies begin to increase, which can put an individual at risk for diabetes. Also, bad bacteria in the mouth can also travel to the lungs and cause lung disease. There have also been a link to show that good teeth can help prevent Alzheimer's as it limits your brain's exposure of bad chemicals from inflamed gums. Not only is brushing your teeth and using a product like Colgate Total essential for smile and confidence, but its chemical structure helps eliminate these bacteria and chemicals to give you a long-lasting smile and a long-lasting life.
Overall, the Colgate Total molecule is very important, and we can see all the benefits that it has and diseases it prevents us from getting. Therefore, we think it should be considered as Molecule of the Semester because it benefits everyone that uses it, and it helps prevent negative side effects down the road.